Hello everyone, and hope you guys going well. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use slash commerce in Notion, and it's pretty simple. So as we all know that slash commerce is a very important thing in Notion app. So you just need to go to the page where you need to add this command, and here you can see this option write something. If you just simply type here slash, and whenever you just type this for a slash option, you can slash command, you will see a lot of options they will show. You can scroll down and go for the option that you need, or you can simply type the things that you need. As you can see, I'm gonna type here, and you can see by using this slash commerce you can use a online calendar in your Notion app. Here you can see, or you can give a name in your calendar, or by using this slash you can also add file in a Notion. You can see file or embed the link, or you can add any table. You can see this table content. So basically this slash commands helps you to add a lot of things in a Notion page that you need, and that's the process how you can use your slash commerce in a Notion app. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us.